What's up, biker bros? This is Nathan from the Gen Z Biker Blog, and today I'm here with my beautiful 2009 Kawasaki ER6N 650. Today I'm here to show you guys how to clean and lube your motorcycle chain. Now, cleaning and lubricating your motorcycle chain are vital to expanding the life of your motorcycle's chain. Obviously, you don't want to be neglecting your chain, causing it to eventually break down and having to replace it more often than not. Now, there's a lot of opposing views on the topic, but basically I pretty much only do the lubrication of the chain for peace of mind while riding, so that I know that nothing bad is going to happen while riding, but also the fact that lubing your chain prevents that rust that develops over time with your bike sitting out in the moisture. Now, as you can see here, I do have my bike on a rear tire stand, but that is not necessary to lube your chain. Otherwise, you can still lube your chain. You simply are going to have to roll the bike back and forward to get the chain to move throughout the sprocket so that you could get all parts of the chain lubed. Now, this rear stand that I have here is a stand that I purchased used online for about $50. I'm not sure of the brand, but any stand will work. Or like I said, you could simply roll the bike back and forth. But using a stand is a little bit easier. So today I'm going to be cleaning my chain with Maxima chain cleaner and chain lube wax. Now, I also picked up this chain cleaning brush on Amazon. You can get 2 of them for anywhere between $5 and $10 depending on the deals that they've got going on. But this is super convenient. You simply put the chain in through the center here, move it side to side, and it cleans up the chain pretty nicely. Otherwise, if you don't have one of these tools, you can simply use a microfiber rag or something of that nature to slide across the chain and remove some of that grease and oil and rust that's on there. Now, typically I lube my chain once a week. I do a lot of riding. I put on a ton of miles every week, so I try to lube my chain once a week just to keep that rust free and moving smoothly while I'm riding. Now, there's 2 ways that you can go about cleaning and lubing your motorcycle chain. First of which I will not be doing today. You can simply take a hose, power wash off that chain, get a lot of the heavy grease off, give your bike a nice solid wash, get it real clean, and then go ahead and clean off your chain as you're doing it so that you can limit the overspray and grease that's left on it after lubing your chain. But what we're going to be doing today, since my bike really doesn't need a wash very much, I'm simply going to put it on the jack stand and lube that chain up and kind of wipe off with a microfiber rag afterwards to get that chain lube off of the tire or other pieces that it might have sprayed onto. So your first step is to shake up your bottle of chain cleaner, and then you're going to liberally spray it onto the chain. Then turn the tire to rotate the chain. And continue this process, but make sure to not get any of the product onto your tires, because obviously you don't want that slipping when you're riding. So now that you've gotten all the way through the chain, gotten some of that chain cleaner on there, go ahead and hit it with your chain cleaner brush. Like I said, if you don't have a chain cleaning brush, it'll be a little bit harder. All you have to do is take a microfiber rag and go side by side as you go through that chain. Next, let the chain cleaner sit on the chain for a little bit and let some of that grease and grime just drip off of your chain as it sits on there. Once the grime kind of drips off your chain a little bit, hit it with your microfiber towel, get some of that cleaner off, and then you can go ahead and start lubing it up. So now that you've cleaned your chain and got all of that grease and grime from the chain cleaner off of the chain with the microfiber towel, make sure to hit it with some chain lube. Once again, I'm using Maxima Racing Oil's Chain Wax. And you want to make sure that you're getting the inside of the chain. It's really not important to get the outside of the chain. You really want to get the inside of the chain. And that's how you clean and lube your motorcycle chain. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more motorcycle maintenance and upgrade videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below, letting me know what you think of this video. Thanks and have a great day, Biker Bros. Ride safe out there.